When AI started going mainstream and I was trying to figure out the best way to wrap my head around it, I ended up coming across what I thought was the perfect concept, the perfect starting point to do so. Okay, so what does it mean? Very simply put, AI literacy means understanding AI and knowing how to use it confidently. It's about understanding how AI works, recognizing its many applications, knowing what it can and can't do, and critically evaluating its outputs.
But why should I even care to be AI literate?
Great question. Well, my friend, to answer that, we need historical context. We need to go back and look at previous technical literacies we've all had to learn. Computer literacy. If you weren't born with a phone in your hands, you probably remember the days when we were taught about computer literacy in school, right? How to use a computer, how to navigate software, and how to stay safe online. Even though they were mostly found in professional settings and gradually made their way into our households, personal computers became the defining device of that era, marking the beginning of technology becoming more integrated into our lives. Over time, that evolved into digital literacy, which includes not only using computers, but also understanding a wide range of digital devices like smartphones and tablets, communication tools like social media, and networks like Wi-Fi and cloud services. Smartphones in particular became and still are the defining device of this era, always with us and central to our daily interactions. As time went by, we became increasingly reliant on technology, with each era bringing us closer to a world where these devices are part and parcel of our daily lives. Is this a good or bad thing? Definitely both. Fast forward to today, we are clearly in the AI age, and just as computer literacy brought about personal computers and digital literacy brought about smartphones and social media, the next paradigm shift stands to be personal AI assistants, or devices that integrate AI seamlessly into our daily lives. However, the defining AI personal device is yet to be determined. Innovations are still unfolding right now. But one thing is for sure, AI will soon be as ubiquitous and close to us as the personal computer and the smartphone. We're already seeing AI chatbots integrated into social media platforms, and for some of us, the companies we work for have started purchasing ChatGPT team and enterprise subscriptions to assist us with our work. On top of that, AI-generated content is flooding the internet, raising hella concerns about misinformation and the impact all that stuff is going to have on an already shaky society. And that's exactly why becoming AI literate is so important right now. This tech is steadily seeping into more facets of our digital and physical worlds with a real impact on our jobs, privacy, ethics, and even our daily online interactions. We're going to need it to make informed decisions, protect ourselves from the risks that come with all this stuff, and also seizing the opportunities that always come with new technologies. I'm pretty hyped on its concept because in the midst of all the chaos and breakneck speed innovations, it gave me perspective, context, and a point of reference for understanding the broader impact of AI. It allowed me to stay grounded and not be swayed by all the noise and inflated expectations that often comes with emerging technologies.